I welcome you to the clinically proven research based Ayurvedic dermatology, Ayurvedic trichology, and Ayurvedic cosmetology course. Thank you for keeping a faith in our institution and in our teaching. Initially, let me introduce myself. Myself, Dr. Shivanand Patil. I completed BMS, MD, PhD in Ayurveda, then postgraduate diploma in medical trichology by Respected University, Germany, that is Ilamed. Then diploma in medical cosmetology from Clara International, diploma in medical trichology by IICTN, even by the Tulip International. I completed mostly all the courses which are available in India. After completion of these all courses, I came to know that I was not able to get a perfect clinical approach which I can adopt in my practice. After that, I started my clinical practice and I am practicing exclusively in Ayurvedic dermatology and trichology since last 19 years. After the extensive experience in dermatology, cosmetology, trichology, I started these courses, that is certificate courses and the diploma courses online and offline. Even for the contribution in Ayurvedic dermatology trichology, I received several national and international awards. Like the Panchakarma International Award, Ayurveda Excellence Award, Dhanvantri Award, Charaka Awards, Sadhaka Vaishishta, like so many awards. I have written two books, that is Ayurvedic Trichology and Ayurvedic Dermatology. And presently I am running 9 clinics in 3 states, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Goa. The courses which are designed, these courses are very unique. This Ayurvedic trichology, cosmetology and dermatology. First is the lectures of the courses are totally 100% clinically based. Second, I develop a new concept, that is a Koshta, Shrotas and the Dhatus. By adopting these principles, we can treat any kind of the disorders. This is the innovative concept which we're adopting and we're telling the classes. So we're demonstrating all the Panchakarma procedures with a unique concept. For example, Abhyanga is there, where the Reiki principled Abhyanga, Shirodhara, we change the method of Shirodhara, Parisheka, all Panchakarma process, we change its implementations. In traditional skin and hair spa therapies, which can give some instant results to the patients. Then local some treatments in dermatological conditions like the Kashaya Dhara, Chunasveda, Lepa, Dhupana, like the treatment procedures we are demonstrating. Then main our base of the course is we are having the Dravyaguna classes, where I will be explaining you 90 medicinal plants which plays a key role in the management of skin and hair disorders. Then we are having the clinical case discussions throughout our customized WhatsApp group. There are some recorded classes which will be available on the software, and I will be taking a live classes. For example, Monday and Tuesday we are in the dermatology class. Tuesday evening at 7:30 I will have a live class where I will try to solve all your doubts. And Wednesday and Thursday Trichology classes are there. And the Thursday 7:30 p.m. I will take a live class to solve all the queries related to the Trichology. Friday and Saturday we are having the Cosmetology class, and Saturday I will solve your queries. Like it's a unique combination. So recorded classes will be available which you can watch anytime. But I will take a live class to have one-to-one interaction to solve all your queries. Even I develop one beautiful Agnikarma therapy which I am adopting in all dermatological conditions. Like there is a direct method, indirect method, needling indirect method, superficial indirect method, heating indirect method. Like so many different new techniques I developed. So these classes will be for 3 months. So all these videos will be available for 3 months. You can watch anytime and you can discuss in the live classes and even in our customized WhatsApp group. So this is going to become a revolutionary course for you all. Just I need a sincere efforts from your side. Please spare the time, read properly, study, ask the question, get clarifications. Even our previous batch students testimonials are there in our Facebook page. That is a Dr. Shivanand's Ayurveda courses. So this is our Facebook page where you can go and try to see all old batch students. They share their experiences. And very important point is after completion of the course we are providing two things. One is lifetime clinical support. Whenever you need help from our side, we are there to help you. And second, immediately after the completion of the course, we are going to provide you free of cost 2 days hands-on training. Likewise, this is one of the beautiful revolutionary course I designed. I hope you can involve, participate and gain the knowledge, and you are going to implement this knowledge in your practice. Thank you very much. Remaining all videos will be started as per the schedule of the course. Thank you very much.